How to download Wise app in mobile. Now, Wise is also another popular payment application that you can use to make international payments. And if you want to download the Wise application on your mobile, first of all, depending upon whether you're using Android or iPhone, make sure that you're connected to a reliable internet connection. Once you've done that, you can simply open up your Play Store if you're on Android and App Store if you're on iPhone. And once you've done that, you can search for the Wise application. You can see the official Wise app from Wise Payments Ltd as well, which has a rating of 4.5 on Android Play Store and 10 million downloads. So this is the official app, and here you'll see the install button. All you have to do is tap the install button right here, and as you've done that, the Wise application will be successfully downloaded and installed on your mobile phone. That's all it takes for you to download Wise app in mobile. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.